Introducing Light Therapy X, a gentle LED skincare device designed to support clearer and brighter skin at home. It uses red, blue, and yellow LED light to help your skin look smoother and healthier. Red light supports skin elasticity, blue light supports fighting impurities, and yellow light helps brighten your skin tone. Use it a few minutes daily to help reduce dullness and support natural radiance. Easy to use, safe for men and women, and perfect for your daily skincare routine. Start your glow journey today. Visit my website, https://sites.google.com/view/natural health-fitness guide/home.